Hey everyone, so I wanted to come on here today. This video is a little bit different. It's about makeup, but I'm not doing any eyeshadow, get ready with me, anything. I'm going to be talking about green concealer. This video has been a long time coming. I have talked about it before, like I was gonna do it last year and things just got crazy. So I'm going to be talking about green concealer and how it works with redness, even if you have pimples. I exfoliated, washed my face skincare this morning, and I actually exfoliated my skin, so that's a little bit of redness, but I do have redness in my face from my vitiligo and stuff like that. So all I have on right now is this Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio Prime, and it's blur and redness. So this is green. So green concealer is a color correcting for your face. So if you have acne, it goes on acne. I have a little bit, but they're not huge. I might do another update when I do have a huge pimple on my face to show you guys. So this concealer, and also in this video, I'm going to be showing you with the green, the LA Girl Pro Conceal green concealer, this light medium CCTM by Sengence. This actually has green concealer in it, so it color corrects, and if you have redness in your face, this works really well. So I'm going to show these, and then if one thing I want to say before I start is I have one already open. So you can, if they're still, you don't need much of this. I don't know if it's like all dried up or what's going on. Yeah, it's not coming out, so I'm gonna have to open the other one up because I used it. So if you have any redness in your skin, green concealer is gonna cancel it. But if you have any blemishes like acne and you put the little bit of green concealer where you want it, if it's still showing up underneath your foundation and your foundation or your tinted moisturizer, you can actually put regular concealer on, and I'm going to be showing you that today in this video. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition Concealer. I got it at Ulta Beauty and it was like $3.99, $4.99, but Senegence has a lighter green one. This is what it looks like. It comes with a little thing, a little brush. So I'm just gonna squeeze some my finger. Actually, that's quite a bit. So you can tell it's definitely green. Senegence. Okay. I'm just putting it right where the red marks are and my little blemishes. Oh, I actually got too much. So you probably just need like not even a dime size to do it. So now I should have just, okay, there's one little spot there, so I'm actually going to use a little bit more and just pat it on right there. I normally don't use green concealer, but I've learned some stuff about it, so I wanted to bring it to you guys. So that is still showing up on my neck. So I'm going to take and I have some right there. So I'm gonna use this. I didn't even squeeze it. I definitely want to try the one from Senegence because it's a lighter green, and I'm just hoping that this one does not show through. Okay, so now that actually helps. So I'm going to, where did I put the CCTM? Okay, this is light medium CCTM, and I'm just gonna squirt a little bit on my hand and use my little flat top brush here that I have and just start patting it in to my face. Wow, I didn't think that the CCTM would cover up the green so much. Do you see that? Like, look, like that side of my face is like still red, and this side, like almost all of it is, the redness is almost all gone. Ah, that's amazing. So, okay, I'm just adding some more. A little bit goes a long ways. And I'm patting it in instead of swiping it, because if you pat it in, you get a more air brush look. And if you were to swipe it, you would get streaking, and you would, it causes wrinkles, you to get wrinkles on your face. Do you see that? Like, the redness is gone. I wonder if I just did CCTM and not the green concealer, if it would look the same. So I might do an update on 3 updates on, and I did exfoliate my skin this morning, like I said. So I do have some red right there. I'm just gonna put it. This is the Real Technique setting brush 402. I've had it since I started doing makeup. Like, I love this brush. I got it off Amazon, I think, for like $3.99. Amazing. Do you see that? Like, I'll do it before and after picture, and you can totally see the difference. Now, the light CCTM from Senegence is a medium coverage. It's not full coverage. The Almond Foundation, Make Sense Foundation, is a full coverage. So, yeah. I'm so glad that I showed this on camera for you guys. You can barely even see any redness. I love this makeup hack. I saw it this morning from one of my friends that does Senegence, and I was like, I have to try that. I have to put it on video. So if I had any like acne, which it's amazing, I don't right now, you could put, actually going to use this new one. I was gonna put it in a makeup haul, but I actually opened it up. It's the Covergirl TRUBLEND Uncover Concealer, and I got it in the shade Porcelain, the lightest color. So even that little spot, like, you can kind of still see it right there. Just gonna add a little bit to my neck, and then take my 402 brush, Real Technique brush that I was using, and just lightly brush it in there. Whoa, like, you can still see it a little bit, but not as bad. So, and I have one right here. Still, you can see I always get them in my hairline. And then, I'm not going to put the concealer on yet. I'm going to take this Loose Powder by Covergirl, the loose powder, and just kind of dab it on there. Okay, so now I am going to finish up the rest of my makeup and come back with you guys for the end result. I am so glad that I showed you guys this on camera. When I get a pimple, I will definitely record and show you guys an updated version. I just wanted to get this on here really fast. And sorry I was rambling at first, but I love this hack. So, and also, before I do the end result, I will put my own link from Senegence down in the description box so that you can shop to get the green concealer of the Senegence. It's the light green, or you can get the one from Ulta, but I can't link that one. So, and the light CCTM medium. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I could have done the end result, but this is totally messed up video, but I'm so glad that I showed you guys. So I'll be back with the end result. Hey guys, welcome back to the end result of this green CCTM green LA Girl green concealer with CCTM from Senegence hack and concealer. I am so amazed. Yes, I have little spots and I do have redness in my skin, and you can totally tell in the video where I did half of my face with CCTM and half with not. I'm gonna try to insert a picture of that from the video because I didn't take a picture. I'm kind of bummed about it, but I am truly amazed how well this turned out. I'm not sure if I just put foundation on with a green concealer, what it would have done. I don't know if it would have just left it green or whatever, because the CCTM with Senegence has a green tint to it in it, like it has a color correcting tinted to it, so it's going to color correct, which green concealer does, which it has in it. So I did double whammy, but I will do an update if I ever get a blemish pimple thing. But normally I haven't, because I've been using CCTM light medium. I've been using skincare, and I've been using a lot of Senegence products, and I noticed that they help with acne quite a bit. But I do recommend both products. I do recommend the LA Girl Color Concealer, Green Concealer, which I got from Ulta, like I said. And I also recommend the CCTM from Senegence. Like I said, it is a medium coverage. It's not full coverage at all. So if you want full coverage, you're gonna have to do the Make Sense foundation. So I will put a link down below for Senegence, the CCTM that I used today. And also, Senegence does have a light green concealer, which I think is like $22 or $25. And since I'm obsessed with this hack, I'm definitely gonna try it. But I do recommend the LA Girl too. It was like $4, $4.99, $3.99 from Ulta. And I did like how I put the normal concealer by Covergirl, the True Blend, with the loose powder over. I think that was mind-blowing. And even if I did have, you can totally tell right here. See? That's where it was. Now it's gone. That is amazing. I think if I truly had a blemish acne, it would totally work. So watch, I'll probably get acne on my face since I did this video. I don't know, I'm just saying that. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. Please keep them kind. Please also don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can see more videos like this, or any video I post first come, first serve. Thanks for watching.